Unlock professional color grading, stunning visual effects, and polished audio with the power of Premiere Pro presets, and I'll show you exactly how to bring them into your projects. First things first, locate your downloaded preset files. These are typically preset files for color grades, where sometimes they're organized into folders for effects or audio. Now, open Adobe Premiere Pro and navigate to the Effects panel. You can usually find this by going to Window and then selecting Effects. Within the Effects panel, you'll see a folder specifically labeled Presets. With your Presets folder open on your computer, simply drag and drop your preset files directly into this Presets folder in Premiere Pro. Alternatively, you can create your own custom preset folders for better organization. Just right-click within the Presets section and choose New Preset Folder. You can then drag your presets into these new folders. Once imported, your presets will be readily available. To apply a preset, select the clip you want to adjust on your timeline. Then, go back to your Effects panel, find the preset you want to use, and simply drag and drop it onto your selected clip on the timeline. Instantly, your clip will take on the characteristics of the preset. You can then fine-tune any settings if needed by going to the Effect Controls panel. This process works for color grading presets like Lumetri color, visual effects presets, and even audio effects. It's a fantastic way to quickly achieve sophisticated looks and sounds without starting from scratch. So there you have it. Why Euro, a simple yet powerful way to streamline your editing workflow, elevate your projects with professional styles, and save yourself a ton of valuable editing time.